Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anup Study Official. My name is Anup Kumar. In this video, we are going to discuss about the class 12 subject physics chapter 1, that is electric charge and field. This is the first video of this chapter, that is introduction part. In future, we are going to bring a lots of videos for this chapter in best way, so please subscribe to us to get our latest videos. So without wasting time, let's start the video. The purpose of creating this video is to deliver the best material for the class 12 studying students which have a subject physics in their syllabus. This video basically deals with ICSE board, CBSE board, Jharkhand board, as well as Bihar School Education Board and other state boards also. This video will also be beneficial for those students who are preparing for engineering and medical entrance examination. Let's start with the introduction part, that is types of study of charges. What is charge? This question will be answered in next video. In this video, we are just going to introduce you about study of charges. Basically, there are two types of study of charges. First one is electrostatics and second one is electrodynamics. In electrostatics part, the charges is taken at rest condition and we study about forces, fields and potentials. On the other hand, in electrodynamics part, charges is taken at motion. Here we are presenting a definition for you for the term electrostatics, the branch of physics in which we study about charges at a rest condition is called electrostatics. In electrostatics, we study about forces, fields and potentials created or influenced by the charges at rest. Here are some a small presentation for you to study in better way. This is electrostatics, a study of charges at rest condition. It means velocity will be zero. In this case, we study about forces, that is fields and potentials. These terms will be discussed in upcoming videos. On the another hand, that is electrodynamics, the branch of physics which deals with the study of charges at motion is called electrodynamics. In electrodynamics, we study about forces due to charges at motion, unification of electric and magnetic fields and electromagnetic waves. In this part, these are going to be studied. Here, electrodynamics is study of charges at motion. It means velocity will not be zero in this case. Before going to start the chapter, here are some facts that should be known to you. Here is taken as case 1 when charges at here is taken as case 1 where charges is at rest condition. It means velocity is zero. Then this charged body will create only electric field. If the charge is at rest condition, that it will only create electric field. Let's come to the case number 2. Here is case number 2. Case number 2 says when charges is at uniform motion. Uniform means velocity is not equal to 0 but acceleration is 0. It means charges are moving with uniform motion. In this case, this charge will create electric field as well as magnetic field. In this case, two physical quantity will be created by this moving charge. Let's come to case number 3. This is case number 3. Case number 3 says when charges is at non-uniform motion, it means velocity is not equal to 0 as well as acceleration is not equal to 0. In this case, this charge body will create, first one is electric field as well as magnetic field, and apart from this, third one is electromagnetic waves. These three quantity will be created by this moving charged body or this moving charge whose velocity is not equal to 0 as well as acceleration is not equal to 0. Before beginning the chapter, you have to know certain data or things which will be useful for upcoming videos. In this slide, we are going to discuss about the atom. Atom has three subatomic particles. First one is electron, second one is proton, and third one is neutron. Electron is denoted by E minus, proton is denoted by P plus, and neutron is denoted by N. In metals, electron is also known as charge carrier. Here is a basic structure of an atom where this is called nucleus. It is center of the atom, and this is the circular paths in which electrons are moving. In center, that is in nucleus part, it contains proton and neutron, and third one is electron. Electron will revolve around this nucleus. Apart from this, there is another term which is known as nucleon. Nucleon is defined as the sum of number of proton and number of neutrons. Let's assume an atom contains 10 electron, 10 proton and 10 neutron. In this case, number of nucleons will be summation of proton and summation of neutron, that is 20. Some few things you should have to be memorized before beginning this chapter, which will be helpful in upcoming videos. First, we discuss about the electrons. Electrons has certain charge value, that is charge on electron is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, whereas its mass is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. These data are experimental data, so at present you should have to memorize this data. In second part, this is proton. Proton has charge equal to that of electron, but its nature is opposite to that of electron, that is plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, whereas its mass is 1.673 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. This things tells that mass of proton is greater than mass of electron. Third one is neutron. Neutron don't have any charge, so the charge on neutron is described as 0 and its mass is equal to 1.673 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Here are certain outcomes where you can see that it is magnitude of charge of electron equal to magnitude of charge of proton, and mass of neutron equal to mass of proton, which is greater than mass of electron. Third one is charge on neutron is 0. So let's finish the first part, that is introduction part. In second part, that is part number 1.2, that is charge, very soon. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please comment us about your thoughts and share to your friends to this video and subscribe our channel to get our upcoming videos, and as well as press the bell icon to get the instant notification of our video. So let's meet in upcoming videos. Stay with us. Thank you.